Welcome. Today is Tuesday, May 10th of 2022. I have gotten into Lexington a little bit late. I went through the car wash and then went to gas up at Sam's Club and then I went to Qdoba to eat. And as I ordered and sat down to eat, Grubhub sends me this order of $24.70. So I decided to take that order, and right now it's 3:30 as I'm on my way to pick up here in Nicholasville at Zaxby's. And then Grubhub sends me this order of $8.57 for 5.5 miles. I took in it. Or heading on our way to pick it up, and we'll deliver it and then see what we get again. And here at the mall, I'm waiting, hoping to get something good, and DoorDash sends me an $8.75 for 6 miles. As it is a little slow, I am taking it. Also keeps me not too far away from Nicholasville and doesn't pay too bad. Okay, just took an order with Uber Eats, $23.68. 2 pickups. I'm not sure if they're 2 stops or not. Working on my way to drop out that pizza, and then I'll be heading to pick up those 2 Uber orders. Okay, just got a DoorDash offer. So $10 for 6.3 miles from Little Caesars Pizza, and it's kind of on my way south from where I'm at. Okay, I'm getting an offer with Grubhub at Nicholasville for $22.58 for 15.5 miles. And that is Applebee's. I am going to take that. Then I'm going to cancel that DoorDash offer. Even though DoorDash offer wasn't bad. Okay, I just got an offer. Oh, and I'm getting an offer on Grubhub. No, I'm not taking that one on Grubhub. It's $11 for 11 miles. No, but DoorDash has sent me a $9.50 going for 6 miles going south, and I am not taking that. Okay, I'm done for the day. It's 7:06. I got the first order at 3:25. By the time I got it at the restaurant was 3:30. And then also I had to finish my meal or eat my meal in my car. So we're gonna discount from 3:30 to 7. So that gives us what? 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours and $101. I would say what, about $30 $10 an hour. $101 divided by 3.5. That's almost $29 an hour. It was a really good Tuesday. Probably if I stayed, probably gonna make another $30 to $50. But